The Prespa Lakes Basin is over 5 million years old, amongst the most ancient freshwater lakes in the world. The region is home to more than 2,000 species of fish, birds, mammals, and plants. Many of these species are unique and can be found only in Prespa Basin. However, many of them are in danger of disappearing if their habitat is not protected. The lake has suffered many pressures in the last 40 years. These pressures have many harmful effects on the health of the water. One of these effects is a rapid growth of biomass that endangers the endemic species. This process is called eutrophication. The main causes of the lake's degradation are harmful farming practices, erosion, untreated waste and wastewaters. Overusing fertilizers and pesticides and dumping agricultural waste are particularly harmful. In some years, more than 10,000 tons of waste apples have been discarded in and around the lake and rivers. Farmers have not been aware of the dangers of dumping biodegradable waste and overusing fertilizers and pesticides.
Улогата на фермерите во зачувањето на животната средина е клучна. Навистина интензивно ги користиме вештачките ѓубрива и средствата за заштита на нашите овошки и во таа смисла мислам дека треба да се редуцира нивната употреба. Тоа веќе се прави преку системот на контрола на штетници и болести кои што ние го имаме во нашето здружение од пред неколку години.
Reduction in the quantity of pesticides used by farmers each season has been decreased by 30%, and much greater environmental awareness and understanding amongst the local population has been achieved.
UNDP has been working in this region with the Municipality of Resen and with the Ministry of Environment for several years now. Today we see a new stage in our cooperation. With the new project funded by the Swiss Development Cooperation, we expect to see better farming practices, better sustainability of farming, and a real benefit to the local people. It will also increase tourism and allow more people to come and see this beautiful part of the country.
By reducing the pressures on the ecosystem from pollution, it will at the same time significantly improve the health and resilience of the lake. As a part of this project, thousands of trees will be planted to combat the harmful effects of erosion. Local capacity on how to manage and monitor the environment will be greatly increased, at the same time improving wastewater management through nature-based technology upgrades and filtering the water of the Golema Reka River. A lake monitoring system and management service with an up-to-date laboratory will be introduced for the first time, enabling constant monitoring of the progress and results. Achieving better quality of water in Prespa Basin will result in the revitalization of the tourist industry and will attract more visitors, creating a potentially important source of revenue.